Ever find yourself needing to move money from your Landbank ATM account directly to your GCash wallet? Here's the straightforward way to do it without leaving your home. First, ensure you have the Landbank mobile banking app installed on your smartphone and that your Landbank account is already linked and active within the app. If you haven't done this, pause this video and set it up now. Once logged in, navigate the app to find the option for transferring funds. This is usually labeled as Send Money, Fund Transfer, or similar. You'll then be presented with choices for where to send the money. Look for G-Xchange, Inc., which is the official name for GCash transfers, and sometimes it's directly labeled as GCash. Enter the GCash registered mobile number of the recipient. Double-check this number carefully to avoid sending money to the wrong account. Then, input the exact amount you wish to transfer. Review all the transaction details, the amount, and the recipient's GCash number. Once verified, confirm the transfer. You may be prompted to enter your transaction PIN or one-time password for security. Upon successful completion, you'll receive a confirmation within the app. It's always a good idea to check your GCash app shortly after to confirm the funds have been credited. Remember that daily transfer limits may apply, so always check your Landbank app for specific details regarding your account. This method provides convenient and secure access to your funds anytime, anywhere.